How to add table element. You can find table element on toolbox pane. If you click on it, you can see the popover appears and you can choose the size of the table. I choose 2 rows and 2 columns. So the table was added on the editing area. If you click on any cell of the table, you can see that optional buttons appear on the toolbar. You can add row before, after, remove row, insert column before, after, remove column, select row, select column, merge cells, split cells, or just select a table. Now let's add a header and change it. For this, I will use the first row of the table and I will insert rich text element into each cell. So the first will be item, the second price, and the last one will be quantity. So now I change our header. I just select row, rename it as header, and I can make it bold, underlined, and I will apply center alignment. So the headers rows were changed. Now let's add data bind. For data bind, I switch to data mapping mode and create data sample. I will have the data sample like this. I will have item, price, and quantity parameter. Create. So now I will select the first row after our headers and apply to data bind for the row. I can bind element to data node like this. So this data bind shows that when we go to preview, we will have several rows according to our data bind. So to apply the data bind to the cell, I insert rich text element and also insert data bind, and here will be item. Here I insert price data bind, and here I insert quantity. So the data bind was added. So I select the row and also make it center alignment. So, and now if we go to preview, here our data sample. So you can see that in preview we have the information according to our data bind. So go back to design mode. Now let's change the background of the table. For this I just select a table, and on the properties pane I can choose any color, for example purple. So the background was changed. If you go to preview, you can see that on preview also the same background. Now we can use the image as a background. For this I'll find image on the internet, copy image address, and now I should add embedded style sheet. So for table, background, image, and insert image address. So save style sheet. Let's apply the style sheet for our table. by inserting the style name. So as you can see, the background was changed. If we go to preview, you can see that on preview we have the same background. Now go back to design mode, and now we will apply some margin and padding. So for example, for header I will apply padding. I can edit padding individually, so I will change only top and bottom padding, for example like this. So the padding was changed. Now I apply a margin for the table. I need just select a table, and also on the property pane you can see that you can edit margin together or individually. I will change only top and left margins. For example, for top like this, for bottom I can just input the value, and for left. So as you can see, the margins were applied also. If you go to preview, the changes are applied. And now I will add borders to the table. For this I select the table, and on property pane you can see border style part, and also I can edit edges together and individually. I will change it individually. For each border I'll choose different styles, different widths and different colors. For example, double, yellow, solid, and for example groove, red and blue. So that everything will be visible, I change widths, for example like this. So, and now as you can see, the borders were changed according to our changes. And if you go to preview, you can see the same result on preview.